yeah.
But some people said they know the All Saints Day. But some they don't know. Huh?
Yeah,
Many of the people here they
maybe
don't
I'm
know.
among those people who don't know it.
Hmm.
Yeah, and even it is my first time to hear it.
It's your first time to hear that one. Huh?
Yeah.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Dahil nga pala katatapos lang ng undas, ang topic natin ngayon tungkol din sa undas. Malamang meron mga gustong magtanong kung meron din ba dito nun. At meron ng mga nag-comment, nagtatanong sila, ganun nga, kung meron daw ba dito nga undas. Base dun sa mga nakausap ko, dito, hindi talaga nila alam yung undas. Pero meron mga nagsasabi na alam daw nila. Kagaya nitong unang video, nung unang tinanong ko sila, hindi nila alam. Nung ipinaliwanag ko at sabi ko mag-video kami, ang lumabas, alam na daw nila. Ito nga pala isang kasamahan namin, si Aguto.
Fufito.
Ito naman isa si Isaac. Isaac Malit.
My best friend.
Aguto,
Yes.
Isaac,
Yes.
do you know that All Saints Day?
Yeah, sure. We know it.
You know,
Yeah.
that one is tomorrow.
Okay.
So, do you celebrate that one here in South Sudan?
Actually, not everybody that celebrate, but there are some few churches. Let me say some churches that celebrate that, but not all the churches.
So, how do you celebrate that one here?
Yeah, like All Saints Day is celebrated in the church, of which there are some churches like ECS. We celebrated it, and some other churches, but there are some churches which doesn't celebrate that.
Catholic.
Yeah, and that thing is conducted. The celebration is conducted in the church.
Okay. Different in our country. In our country, most of the people, they go to the cemeteries
Okay.
to stay there that day
For the whole day.
for the, those people, those loved ones who pass away. So this is how we celebrate that All Saints Day.
Okay.
Okay,
But
so it's different.
I was celebrated in the church to remember the saints.
those,
yeah, you pray for their souls and all that.
So it's different culture. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
Karamihan talaga sa kanila, ganito yung sinasabi. Ito nga pala si Paul Doctor. Hello, Paul Doctor.
Peter.
You know the date today?
Yeah, this
November 1st.
one. Yeah.
So what is November 1st?
Remember
What do you know about November 1st?
about what in our work here or what? Concerning other things.
Celebration
Oh, celebration. Yeah, we are preparing for the Christmas.
for Christmas?
Yes.
You don't know the All Saints Day?
I don't know.
Mm.
It is what? Today is the Old Sunday.
Today is All Saints Day.
But for us
You
here,
don't no celebration here.
no
for,
celebration, yeah. But for us here, when it is the 1st of November, you're supposed to prepare yourself for Christmas, looking for clothes. But for me now, I'm down. I don't have money.
You need to save money
Yeah,
for the Christmas.
for the Christmas, yeah.
But some people said they know the All Saints Day. But some they don't know.
Yeah.
Many of the people here they
maybe
don't
I'm
know.
among those people who don't know it.
Mm.
Yeah, and even it is my first time to hear it.
It's your first time to hear that one.
Yeah.
There is All Saints Day, but it's not celebrated in all the countries. Only some countries.
In your country, they
It is
celebrate,
there. It is there.
but for us here, we don't have it there. That's why.
In the Philippines, on this day,
No work.
no, there is work. It's not a public holiday, but there is a celebration on that day. Most of the people they go to the
Yeah, Freedom Square, especially like
no,
Freedom,
not in Freedom Square.
Yeah,
They go to cemeteries
cemeteries. Yeah.
in the graves
Yes, yes.
of their loved ones.
All right.
This is what we do in the Philippines.
But we don't do it here.
It's not here.
Yeah.
Here, where do you bury your loved ones?
At home.
Just in the compound.
Yes, inside. What about you?
No, we have cemeteries.
Cemeteries.
There is a place for
No,
to
but for
bury
us here, those people who buried in cemetery, are the people who don't have a plot.
Mm.
But if you have your own plot, then you'll be
Just
buried
bury in the compound.
In the compound, inside your compound.
Tichuk, Kep.
When
Tamam.
No, he just come and do his breakfast, you know,
I'm going to look for food.
for food. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
I will check here in Mama Akul.
Yeah, welcome. Have a lovely weekend.
Yan nga palang video namin ni Paul Doctor. Tanghali yan eh. Maghahanap ako ng pagkain sa labas. Dahil walang generator. Merong ginagawa. Kaya hindi ako nakapagluto. Malapit lang sa compound namin itong restaurant na to. Yung sa may kabilang kalsada na yon, yun yung compound namin. At dati, bumibili rin talaga ako dito. Ang pagkakaalam ko kasi, nagsara na tong restaurant na to nung pabagsak ng pabagsak yung pera nila. Dahil pamahal ng pamahal yung bilihin, kaya nagsara na lang sila noon. Pero nung minsan, nabanggit nung isang kasamahan ko na meron na daw uling nagluluto. Kaya pinasyalan ko ngayon. Ang oras nga pala niyan, 12:30. Pero walang customer. At dati maayos tong restaurant na to. Pero ngayon, ayan sira-sira na yung mga bakod. Pina-take out ko na nga lang pala kasi parang walang tubig eh. Yung inumin nila dito, yung mga sa puso lang dito. Sabi ko, i-take out na lang. Meron naman daw silang plastic. At dyan nga pala yung hugasan nila ng kamay. Ito nga pala yung nabili kong pagkain. Lagay ko muna sa lalagyan. Ito na yun. Ito, okra to, okra. Ito naman, manok yan eh. Merong isang piraso ng isang hiwa ng manok. Ayan. Tapos ito, kisra yan. Yan yung tinatawag nilang paper food. Manipis yan, manipis ganyan Kaya nga lang tinupi-tupi na eh, kaya ganyan ang itsura. Ayan yan maninipis. Okay naman yung lasa ng sabaw. Itong okra, tikman din natin. Okay naman, lasang okra din. Itong paper food. Okay na rin. Ang presyo nga pala nito, 15,000 yan. So, 150 pesos sa atin. Mas mahal pa kaysa sa Jollibee. Para akong ano ba yun? Anong kapareha sa atin? Manginasal. Chowking. Ganun ang presyo. Mahal dito. Kaya nga lang, kanina alanganin yung punta ko dun eh. Kung iintayin ko pa na matapos yung generator, magugutom ako. Kaya sabi ko, di bale. Bumili na lang ako sa labas. Paminsan-minsan lang naman eh. Okay na rin. Pwede na sa hindi maselan. Kain po tayo. Sana yung manok, sana malambot. Kasi dito yung mga manok na, yung mga native, minsan matigas pa, okay na sa kanila eh. Sana malambot to. Mukhang matigas. Mukhang matigas yung manok. Yan ang inaalala ko dito. Medyo matigas nga. Okay naman sana yung sabaw. Kaya nga lang medyo matigas pa yung manok. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung share ko ngayon at maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko.